Hello students, today we'll solve problem number 20. See what is given. The following accounting information and financial ratios of M Limited relate to the year ended 31st March 2012. Inventory turnover ratio is given, it is 6 times. Creditors turnover ratio 10 times, debtors turnover ratio 8 times, current ratio is given, it is 2.4, gross profit ratio is 25%. Now total sales 30 lakhs, cash sales 25% of credit sale. Now see, total sales are 30 lakhs and cash sales are 25% of credit sale. Then you have to consider credit sale as 100%. So cash sale 25% plus credit sale 100%, 25 plus 100, 125% will be your sale amount. Okay, so total sale, cash sales 25%, credit sales 100%. When we'll calculate the figures and solve the solution, you will be able to understand. Now cash purchases 2 lakh 30, then working capital 2 lakh 80. Now nothing is given about credit purchases, but they are saying cash purchases, which means we have to calculate credit purchases. There will be amount of credit purchase. Now ahead it is given closing inventory rupees 80,000 more than opening inventory. Now if you remember, yesterday only we solved this type of problem, this type of adjustment. Closing inventory is 80,000 more than opening inventory, so you have to consider X as opening inventory, then your closing inventory will be X plus 80,000. Okay, now you are required to calculate number 1 average inventory, purchases, average debtors, average creditors, which means debtors and creditors amount. Then average payment period. Average payment period will be your creditors velocity, how much time you will take to pay creditors amount. Average collection period will be debtors velocity, how much time our customer will take to repay us. Then current assets we have to find out and current liabilities. Okay, around 8 things we have to calculate and only ratios are given, so we'll see how to calculate now.